Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite, and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So actually we will begin with some customization of this mode, and then I'll show you much faster access to this feature. So let's firstly open the settings, and now let's tap on the display. As you can see, we've got the option Eye Comfort Shield, which is the name of the eye comfort mode or the night light in this device, and we can actually turn it on without the customization right now just by tapping on this switcher, but you can see that actually there's a big difference. So let's tap on Eye Comfort Shield, and here we've got two different modes from which we can choose. Right now we've got the adaptive mode, so it means that your device will adjust the screen colors based on the time of the day. So because it is before 11, then the device thinks that it is very light around me, and I do not need actually the eye comfort mode, because the screen turns yellowish, it will filter the blue light, and actually it will be much easier for you to read in the dim light with this mode on. So that's why the device thinks that if it is 10 o'clock in the morning, then I do not need actually the biggest intensity, the most intensive feature right now. But if you'd like to customize this, just tap on custom, and then you will be able to choose the color temperature that's right for you. So here we've got the switcher, thanks to which we can change the color temperature, the intensity of that feature. So by going to the left, we can make it much cooler. It is almost invisible, I would say. And by going to the right, we can make it much warmer. It's almost orangish, I would say. What's more, we can set the schedule, so simply tap on it, and we can keep it turned on always. We can set it from sunset to sunrise, so your device will automatically turn it on and off by this time. And we can custom it, so we can freely choose the start time, for example this one, and the end time. Just by swiping, choose the start time and end time, and tap on done. And as you can see, we just set the schedule, and the screen didn't turned off. It did not go back to its normal stage because we are between the start and the end time. But let me turn off this option, and let me make it a little bit cooler. So actually this is it. This is how to customize this mode, and if you'd like to have much faster access to this feature, all you have to do is simply unroll the top bar, and here we have to find the Eye Comfort Shield icon. As you can see, it's right here, and obviously it is right now turned on. So in order to turn it off, just tap on it, and as you can see, there is a big difference. The screen turns back to its totally normal state. Obviously you can turn on this option the same way. So actually that's all. This is how to manage, how to customize the eye comfort mode in your Samsung Galaxy S10 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.